What if I told you there was a drone you could crash over and over again and just keep flying? And when you bought it, it came with everything you needed to hit the ground running. And what if it was also affordable and beginner friendly and customizable and actually fun to fly outside? Think you might have found it. This is the Tinyhawk Lite Adventure. And I've been putting it through the paces. I've been flying this thing. I even let my nephew fly it. And that might just be the ultimate durability test. So if you're new here, I'm Jack, and this is Half Chrome, and we fly drones, and we put them through the paces. I'm going to tell you the good and the bad about this one, the Tinyhawk Lite Adventure model. So I love flying FPV or first person view. Typically you put on a pair of goggles and you see what the drone sees from that camera up in front. It's a really unique experience. But it's not easy and it's kind of confusing. There's all sorts of components and things that you need to have, and you gotta make sure they all work with one another. And Emax has a handful of kits that are just great for beginners because they come with everything you need. You get the drone, you get the goggles, you get the battery, you get the controller, and they're all set up and ready for you to just start flying. And that brings us to this guy, the Tinyhawk Lite Adventure. This is an outdoor drone with some brushed motors. That's right, brushed motors. I typically fly brushless motor drones. I'll come back to that in a second, but I want to talk about this guy a little bit more first. The frame is simple. It's durable. I crashed this thing a ton. My nephew crashed this thing a ton, and it's solid. It's still standing up. We've got some scratches on the propellers. I didn't even have to change one of those. A little bit of dirt, but it's no worse for wear. This isn't something you'd want to fly indoors. If you want to fly inside, you want something like this with the built-in propeller guards, and Emax makes a kit like that as well. But if you're flying outside, you get a little bit more freedom, a little bit more room, and you can do a little bit more. This is great as kind of like just a slow cruiser, but you can also do flips and rolls and things like that if you want. But I gotta come back to these brushed motors. Now, brushed motors just aren't as powerful or as efficient as one of these brushless motors. I'm not getting into the physics of it, but brush motors are more affordable, and that's why they were chosen for this drone. That allows this to be a really good beginner entry-level drone, but because of the brush motors, it just doesn't have the power that you'll get out of something like this. But you can also replace brushed motors. There's a ton of them on Amazon, so if you want to get something that spins faster and upgrade, you can certainly do that. Now, I said it comes with everything you need, so you get this controller, which you can actually plug into your computer and start flying on the simulator, and that's a great thing to do. This is an ELRS remote, so you can fly other drones with it as well. Now, the screen, I can attach it right here onto the controller. I think this is a great way for beginners to start. Some people don't like wearing those goggles on their face, but if you want, you also have these goggles where you can attach the screen there and put the goggles right here and fly this way. I think it's great for beginners. And if you did graduate to a more powerful drone, you can still use these goggles with that, or even the controller, as long as you're flying analog and you're flying ELRS, which is what this is. Those are things you'll learn about if you continue to fly FPV, but not something you need to worry about with this guy. If you do progress in the FPV hobby, you can plug this thing into your computer and use some software called Betaflight, where you can kind of adjust the way it flies, how far it'll angle forward, how quick it'll roll, things like that. But again, you don't have to. And if you do get to that point, I do have a couple of videos that'll help you out. I'll throw them in the video description down below, and you can come back to them if you want. Okay, quick rundown of some of the specs. From here to here is 115 millimeters. That's the wheelbase. A lot of people want to know that information. And this drone is about 60 grams without a battery and 80 with one. Now, this is a 1S EM 2.0 battery. It's a 750 milliamp hour battery, and that'll give you about 5 minutes of flight time. I did tell you these are brushless motors. Specifically, they're 1020 coreless brush motors. And these propellers are 65 millimeter props. So if you are looking for extra props, that's what you're searching for. You can get this one in the gray and white like you see me flying, and they also have a pretty cool purple version. At the end of the day, this is for beginners. If you want this drone, you just want something that's easy to fly and durable, and you can hit the ground running with. That's what it does. It's really just that simple. Okay, so before I go, I want to give you my final thoughts on this. It's fine, right? It's a good beginner drone, especially for the price point. But I think these motors here are probably going to leave a little bit to be desired. This isn't a drone that I'm going to keep. I'm actually going to give it to my nephew. He can fly it. But I think eventually he's going to want something like this. It's a very similar drone, also by Emax, but it has these brushless motors. And these brushless motors are going to be a lot more powerful, give them a little bit more punch. It's going to be able to handle the wind a little bit better. So just something to kind of think about. This is a great place to start, but it's probably not where you're going to end up. I hope this was helpful. If you don't subscribe to the channel, please click that button and do so. You're going to get more content on drones like these, as well as other fun tech. If you want one, we have a link down below. Hey, good luck everyone, and happy flying.